Imagine waking up in the year 2000, checking your stock portfolio and seeing your favorite dot-com stock down 90% overnight. Just months ago, it was pumping like crazy. Everyone thought it was the future.
The company announced today it's laying off 518 people.
Now fast forward to today. Instead of dot-com stocks, it's meme coins. Millions of them created out of thin air, pumping overnight, dumping just as fast. We've seen this movie before, and we already know how it ends. But here's the thing, not everything collapsed in the dot-com crash. Some companies survived, they thrived, and the same will happen in crypto. Let's break it all down. The late 90s were insane. If a company had a .com in its name, investors threw money at it. Everyone believed that the internet was the future of finance and stocks were pumping purely on speculation. Pets.com raised $300 million, ran Super Bowl ads and went public in 1999. Within 268 days it was dead. Webvan, an online grocery delivery startup, raised $375 million, went public in November 1999, but expanded too fast and collapsed by 2001. eToys, which was supposed to be the next Amazon for kids, went public in May 1999, saw its stock skyrocket, reached a market cap of $8 billion, and then completely crashed within 2 years. The problem? No real revenue, no real product, just hype. Investors FOMOed into anything with a .com domain, but when the bubble burst, reality hit hard. But here's what most people forget, not everything crashed to zero. Some companies survived, and they became giants. Amazon, which went public in 1997, lost over 90% of its value during the crash. It was on the edge of collapse, but it pushed through and ended up running the internet. eBay, which went public in 1998, was one of the few .com companies that stayed profitable throughout the crash. Then there was PayPal. It struggled early on, but later merged with eBay and became one of the biggest fintech companies in the world. Even Apple was in trouble. It wasn't a .com company, but in the late 90s it was on the verge of bankruptcy before the iPod saved it and set it on a path to becoming the most valuable company in history. The .com bubble didn't kill the internet. It just wiped out the junk and left room for real innovation to take over. And that's exactly what's happening in crypto today. Instead of .com startups, today we have meme coins. Anyone can create one in minutes. No product, no roadmap, no real purpose, just hype. A few influencers pump it, retail jumps in, it does 10x overnight, then the rug gets pulled.
Holy f***! Holy f***! You little Holy f***! Thanks for the 20 bandos.
He just clicked you 30K!
Yo!
Nah, Ken!
What the f***?
It's not just a handful of coins, it's millions. AI tools can now generate thousands of new meme coins every single day. This isn't an accident. It's a casino. Instead of capital flowing into serious blockchain projects, it's being scattered across thousands of meme coins, most of which will not be around next year. Just like the .com bubble, not everything in crypto is a scam. There are real projects being built right now. Projects that will survive, just like Amazon, eBay, and Apple did. These projects are already providing their worth. Solana is one of the fastest growing blockchain ecosystems. It's backed by a strong team that actually delivers. Despite early network outages, the team has consistently improved the blockchain, and transactions continue to increase rapidly. Solana is expanding into DeFi, gaming, and even real-world adoption. It's becoming the go-to blockchain for high-performance applications. Then BNB chain, backed by Binance, remains one of the most used blockchains for DeFi and trading. Binance's global reach ensures that BNB remains highly relevant in the future. And then we have Ethereum, the backbone of Web3. Ethereum is more than just a cryptocurrency. It's the foundation of DeFi and thousands of projects. It has one of the strongest development teams in crypto. Vitalik Buterin himself contributed to Bitcoin's early discussions before launching Ethereum. There are dozens more non-speculative blockchain projects that have strong teams and real-world adoption. Meme coins? Most of them are pets.com of crypto, here today, gone tomorrow. And just like with .com stocks, when the hype fades, only the real projects will remain. But there is one asset that stands apart from all of this. Bitcoin. Bitcoin isn't a tech startup, it isn't a company, it isn't backed by a VC fund or foundation. It's pure, it's decentralized, it's digital gold. And just like gold, Bitcoin will keep growing. Through every boom and bust, every bubble and crash, Bitcoin stays the course. It's not just another trend, is the foundation of everything happening in this space. While meme coins come and go, Bitcoin keeps proving itself. That's why Bitcoin 2025 in Las Vegas is the place to be. It's where the real conversations happen, the ones that actually shape the future of Bitcoin. No noise, no distractions, just the biggest names, the sharpest minds, and the people building for the long term. I'll be there, and if you're coming, use my code CryptoSnake for 10% off your ticket. No hype, just Bitcoin, the way it should be. See you in Vegas. People's nature remains the same. Everyone wants to get rich overnight. You don't have to be a social engineering expert to understand that people who put their life savings into lottery tickets, casinos, or meme coins are making a mistake. Throw in $10 for fun if you want, but don't make a mistake you cannot afford. Learn from a history. A meme coin from a celebrity is no different than an NFT from a celebrity. It's more like a social media like from their account. History never repeats, but it tends to rhyme. Bitcoin has a real chance to become the world's reserve asset, just like gold. Strong blockchain projects could be the next Amazon and Apple. And meme coins, they will be replaced by the next hype trend. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Check out CryptoSnake deals for the best discounts on crypto products and subscribe to my channel. I'll catch you later.
I'ma keep it a stack. People doubted my talent, really just wanted me to react. Perseverance ain't what I lack. Haters see you've got potential, then they've got something against you. Always have an opinion and hoping that it offends you. I just